In this video, we will learn how to make text with better outlines. First, I will write a text. Selection, Objects, Expand, and OK. Back to Objects, Paths, Offsets Path. Enable previews. Set the offset distance as needed. You can also adjust the corner of the text. OK. Selection. Ungroup. Now separate it into individual letters. Selection of internal text while holding down the Shift key. Object, Groups. Do grouping on external text too. Now I will fill it with color. Recombine by way of selection. Click until a blue line appears. Align and center. Finally, Groups. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.